Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? This is the latest news of Bittorrent, my friend. And what's the future? Can they hit, my friends, just in only in upcoming time 0.1 USD dollar? Let's see, my friends, what's the future will be bright or not. But the current condition is going to be very terrible, very bad. But please, holder, please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification. Every Tech channel, one of the unique YouTube channel, they will guide you. The last 1 hour chart, my friend. As you can see here, first of all, I'm gonna show you the latest news, the latest update, and after that, we talk about this, my friends. Today, in the future, they will bright or not, they moving upward or not. So the last 1 hour chart, if you can see here, my brother, they also show you the change occur will be positive, plus 0.99%, they moving upward. I am very happy, I'm very excited to from last 7 days, all kinds of market very badly falls down, but from last 24 hours, they wake up and they go and the moon completely they starting moving upward. So it's a good news from all of you, my brother, to they completely go in the moon. The price change occur, you can see here 0.00568 USD dollar, and exactly this change as will be positive. So BTT holder, it's mean to you need to hold it, so kindly hold it, my friend. I hope they move upward. Let's check out the last 24-hour chart to BTT as change occur will be positive or not. The last 24-hour chart absolutely will be positive. It's mean to BTT as go and the moon. It's a good time, my friend. You can see here 1.69% they move upward just and only from last 7 days, from last 24 hours. It's mean to the future as very bright, and congratulations every holder to BTT from last 24 hours starting moving upward, and they wake up. We are go in the moon. BTT holder, we are go completely in the moon. So holders, you need to hold it. Please remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, kindly, you are my brother. I am also holder of BTT, so therefore I will just make this video for advising. So holder, please hold it and absolutely wait for the end of month. I hope, and especially in the last week, they completely move upward and they give you very good profit. So I know, my brother, absolutely I know, therefore I tell you, so kindly hold it. Trust me, please trust me, my brother. So 8,000 people trust on ABS Tech channel. Absolutely, you also trust. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, and also like my videos. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.